Hello everyone. So in 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to use NotebookLM and the benefits of using it in your classroom. So we have a new notebook here. We can upload a source. You can upload any files that you have, anything in your drive. You can click on this. Any links, you click on that and you can upload links, maybe to YouTube videos. This is where we get our sources that the notebook uses. I already have a notebook created about the New York cell phone ban in schools. So this is where all the sources that I have are uploaded right there. These are the ones that it's using. If I don't like something that came up on the web, I can just press the checkbox and then it disappears. Now this is our chatbot, the general thing that we all usually see, the large language models, such as like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. This is where we can ask it questions and it only pulls information from these sources. So that is very useful if you want to use that in the classroom. However, the studio, this area, is where the magic really happens. Now, I've already created a few things that I'm going to show you today. One of the coolest things is the podcast, where you can actually have it interact. So, you know podcasts where two people are speaking back and forth and you're listening to it and it'll be talking about what the sources that you put in. But if you have a question, you can just press interact and it'll let you chime in and ask it something. Another really cool thing is the infographics. So it can create you an infographic on what you want, which could be very helpful, for instance, if you want to show this to your students on pieces of information, maybe key points you want to keep. Another great tool is the quizzes. You can have these quizzes for checks for understanding. This could be very useful. If a student gets a question right, it says that's right. It's positive reinforcement. And let's just say a student needs help. They can press hint. They can get help. Let's just say they still get it wrong. It tells you what happened there and why it's right or wrong. Finally, I am going to show you, mind map. Mind maps could be very useful as well. Let's just say it's for the American Revolution. You can have a mind map that branches off what led to the American Revolution or different parts of it. Maybe the Civil War. Maybe it's talking about math or something with science, ecosystems. No, it could totally be stuff that happened in a book, even too, with English class. No matter what your subject is, this could be very useful and very helpful for you. In this case, I have it on the New York State cell phone ban. Right. In conclusion, the NotebookLM is a great tool for you to use in your classroom. It'll help students. It's great for studying. It's great for engaging the students. And it's great for you to be able to check for understanding with your students as well.